everyone, in this video we are going to see some of the example based on your relative speed. How to calculate the relative speed? If there are two objects, the two objects are in the moving means based on their direction we should calculate the relative speed. If it is opposite direction means we want to add both the speeds. If it is same direction means we should consider the difference of their speeds. Let's see the examples of moving in same direction. Your question is, a train traveling 25 km per hour leaves Delhi at 9 am. From Delhi, the train is leave from 9 am. We can consider the train A. So, at the speed of 25 km per hour. From B, the train speed is 35 km per hour. Okay, now in the same direction, how many kilometers from Delhi will they be together? This is the train, second train B. So, the first train is going like this because the train B is started by 2 p.m. now. From 9 am, 10 am, 11 am, 12 pm, 1 pm, 2 pm. 5 hours travel done by first train. After 5 hours, the B train starts, then reaches the destination Delhi. How many kilometers? So, in how many kilometers from Delhi means what? Anyway, the time is equivalent. From A to B, the time is equivalent here. So, I can equate the time. So, how I am equating the time means first train travels x kilometer by 25 km per hour speed, and similarly the second train travels x kilometer by how much the speed? 35 km per hour. So, I can subtract minus 5 from this means the equal time will be we are getting. So, x by 25 minus 5 which is equivalent to x by 35. So, anyway minus 5 hours means both the time will be equal here. So, minus 5, so x will be here x by 25 minus x by 35 which is equivalent to 5. So, 35x minus 25x by 35 into 25 which is equivalent to 5. So, 10x by 35 into 25 which is equivalent to 5. Now, x is equivalent to 5 into 35 into 25 divided by 10. So, this is 2 times, this is 1 time. Now, 35 into 25, we want to multiply 35 into 25. So, answer is 8 4s are 32, remainder 3, 7 5, divide by 2. So, in the sense, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, remainder 5. 437.5 kilometer. So, your option C is the correct answer. How many kilometer from Delhi means will they be together? From Delhi, they be together at the destination here. So, 437.5 kilometer. This is the important concept, finding the relative speed in same direction. We'll see on your next question. A train leaves Calcutta at 7:30 am and travels 40 km an hour. Another train leaves Calcutta at noon and travels 64 km an hour. Where will the second train overtakes the first train? So, here a train is started from Calcutta and moving at the speed of 40 km per hour. So, by 7:30 am, the train will start. After that, noon time, by means of noon time in the sense 12 pm, another train starts from Calcutta at the speed of 64 km per hour. Anyway, 7:30 am in the sense 8:30 am, 9:30 am, 10:30 am, 11:30 am and 12. So, 4.5 hours, the first train was travelled in 4.5 hours. For 40 kilometer per hour means for 4.5 hours it takes nearly 180 kilometer. It reaches 180 kilometer. So 4 4s are 16, 160. For half an hour, 1 hour means 40, half an hour means 20 kilometer. 180 kilometer reached the first train. After that, the second train was started. Now, the second train time is equal to distance divided by speed. The distance, want to cover the distance is 180. What is the speed of the both the trains? 40 kilometer per hour and 64 kilometer per hour. While taking the difference of their speed is 24 kilometer per hour. So, 24 in the sense it is divisible by 6 30 times and 4 6 are 24. This is 1 4s are 4, 7 4s are 28 and remainder 2, 5 4s are 20. 7.5 and 5 hours, 7.5 hours, the second train need to travel to reach the 180 kilometer. That time, after 7.5 hours, the first train crosses the 180 kilometer. The second train reaches the 180 kilometer and met the first train at 7.5 hours. After traveling 7.5 hours means where will meet? The second train should, the speed is 64 kilometer per hour. Where means distance. So, distance, speed into time. The time taken to reach the first train is, for second train need to travel 7.5 hours. Now, the speed of the second train is 64 kilometer per hour. So, 64 into 75. So, we can consider this is into 75. Into 75, 32, 00, 116004800. So, while adding one decimal point, the 0 will be cancelled. 480 kilometer. The answer is 480 kilometer. We need to calculate the time when the second train overtakes the first train. By means of traveling 7.5 hours only, the second train reaches the first train. So, second train speed is 64 km per hour and the time taken for traveling 7.5 hours means the second train must covers 480 km. After 480 km, the second train overtakes the first train. So, we'll move on to your next question. Yes, this is your next question. A thief steals a car at 1:30 p.m. and drives it off at 40 km per hour. The thief is discovered at 2 p.m. and the owner sets off in another car at 50 km per hour. He will overtake the thief at, first of all, we need to calculate because distance covered by the thief. Because the owner sets off the another car by 2 p.m. only. So, nearly half an hour, the thief is covered some much of distance. So, how we can calculate distance is equal to speed into time. What is the speed of the thief? 40 km per hour. Time taken half an hour. So, in this half an hour, the thief covered 20 km. Now, the thief covered 20 km. The owner must reach the 20 km, then only he overtakes the thief car. Okay, now how we can overtake the thief car? Time is equal to distance divided by speed. At what time he overtake the thief car? So, time is equal to distance divided by speed. What is the distance? He must cover 20 km. What is the speed of the car? That is speed of the thief car and speed of the owner car. So, 40 difference, what is the speed of the thief car? 10. 40 difference 50 is 10 km per hour. This is the same direction, means we should consider the difference of their speed. So, 10 km per hour. This is 20 km. So, 2 hours. The owner need to catch the thief car by means of traveling 2 hours. 2 hours in the sense, the owner starts by 2 p.m., 3 p.m. 1 hour and 4 p.m. is 2 hours. So answer is option C. First of all, we need to calculate the distance, how much distance is covered by the thief. Then only we can move on to the time taken to car, that is owner cars overtake the thief car. Okay, this is your answer. Yeah, this is the example of how we can calculate the same directions while in the different situations. Thief car and two trains starting from the same direction, moving on the same direction, means we should consider the difference of their speeds. Thank you for watching.